Hey, hustlers and tech dreamers. I'm Giddy, your favorite AI sidekick, and this is Top Trending, the show where we break down the hottest free AI tools taking the internet by storm. Want to make money with AI, or just trying to figure out if it's all smoke and mirrors? You're in the right place. Coming in at number 10, we have a project called The Rock. It's a lightweight open-source build system for HIP and ROCm, basically AMD's answer to CUDA development, but without the polished toolchain. This is like giving someone a pile of car parts instead of a Tesla. Sure, you can build it yourself, but good luck finding the instruction manual that isn't written in hieroglyphics. People who would pay for this are AMD's corporate customers desperate for NVIDIA alternatives and research labs running on tight budgets who can't afford enterprise CUDA licenses. Think Oak Ridge National Lab trying to justify their AMD supercomputer purchase, or ML startups tired of NVIDIA's price gouging. This is how you can use this tool to make money. 1. Create pre-built optimized ROCm packages with actual documentation and sell enterprise support contracts, basically doing what AMD should be doing. 2. Build a cross-platform ML development studio that abstracts away the ROCm CUDA headaches and charge subscription fees to desperate data scientists. Coming in at number 9, we have a project called V2Ray Configs. This is a digital backdoor pass for those who want to bypass internet censorship, constantly updating V2Ray configs for protocols like VMES, VLES, Trojan, and ShadowSox every 5 minutes. It's like Netflix, but instead of streaming Tiger King, you're streaming freedom in countries where governments play internet helicopter parent. People who would pay for this are 1. Journalists and activists in authoritarian countries like Iran and China who need secure channels to report truth without getting a government-sponsored vacation to prison, and 2. Ordinary citizens in censorship-heavy regions who just want to watch YouTube without a VPN that moves slower than a sloth on Ambien. This is how you can use this tool to make money. 1. Package it as a premium, always-on freedom service with a fancy UI and charge a monthly subscription for curated, reliably tested configs that actually work. Or 2. Create a white-label VPN product for businesses that need to operate in restrictive regions. Sell it as business continuity insurance for 100x what it costs you. Coming in at number 8, we have a project called Awesome MLSys Tutorial. This is a MLSys learning repository, basically a hacker's diary of someone climbing the machine learning systems mountain. While most nerds are busy debating theory in academic papers, this mad lad is documenting the actual engineering blood, sweat, and tears behind making AI systems work in real life. It's the difference between talking about sex and actually having it. People who would pay for this are ML engineering teams at places like Meta, Google, and OpenAI who need engineers that understand both sides of the ML coin, not just theory nerds. Also, bootcamp operators desperate to offer advanced ML engineering courses to capitalize on the AI gold rush. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Package these notes into a professional ML systems engineering course with structured modules. Charge $1,999 for access. Or create a consulting business helping companies implement RLHF systems and optimize their inference pipelines, then point to this repo as your public expertise showcase. Coming in at number 7, we have a project called MLflow. MLflow is an open-source platform that handles the entire machine learning lifecycle, tracking experiments, packaging models, registry, deployment, evaluation, and observability. It's basically what happens when your disorganized ML experiments grow up and get their life together instead of living in random Jupyter notebooks and CSV files scattered across your desktop. People who would pay for this are enterprise ML teams drowning in model versioning hell and AI startups who need to look professional to investors. Netflix and JP Morgan would throw serious cash at this to keep their data scientists from creating untraceable model disasters. This is how you can use this tool to make money. 1. Build a fully managed MLflow as a service with enterprise SSO, compliance features, and premium support. Charge $1,000 month minimum. 2. Create industry-specific templates and playbooks on top of MLflow, then sell implementation consulting at $250 to companies who can't read documentation. Coming in at number 6, we have a project called ML from Scratch. ML from Scratch is a programmer's anatomy textbook for machine learning, stripped-down NumPy implementations with zero fluff. It's like seeing the matrix code instead of just what's on screen. Solves the black box problem of ML libraries where you use them without understanding what's happening under the hood. People who would pay for this are data science bootcamp operators and tech interview coaches. College professors teaching advanced ML courses would also throw money at this to save them from writing curriculum from scratch. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Package it into interactive tutorials with video explanations and sell monthly subscriptions. Or rebrand it as AI engineer interview prep with practice problems and sell it to desperate job seekers for $299 who want to actually understand the algos they're implementing. Coming in at number 5, we have a project called MEM0. MEM0 is like a brain transplant for AI chatbots, adding memory so they don't act like goldfish with amnesia. It's an intelligent memory layer that lets AI remember user preferences and past interactions, making bots 26 more accurate while using 90 fewer tokens. Finally, your AI won't forget who you are every 5 minutes. People who would pay for this are 1. Customer service departments at major companies like Comcast or Delta who want their bots to remember your complaints without making you repeat yourself, and 2. Healthcare providers like Cleveland Clinic who need AI assistants that remember patient history without violating privacy. This is how you make money. 1. Slap a tiered SaaS model on this. Free tier with limited memory retention. Premium tier with enterprise-grade storage and analytics. 2. Build vertical-specific versions for industries with compliance requirements like healthcare or finance. Then charge a fortune for HIPAA-compliant AI memory. Coming in at number 4, we have a project called Crawl4AI. Crawl4AI is basically LLM foreplay for web data, an open-source crawler that strips websites down to their most useful content without the SaaS price tag. Where other scrapers give you a bloated mess, this one delivers clean markdown that AI can actually use without choking. It's like having a bouncer that only lets the VIP data through. People who would pay for this are SEO agencies scraping competitor sites and AI startups building knowledge bases. Palantir would throw money at this to feed their data-hungry models, while Clearview AI types would use it to vacuum up content without hitting rate limits. This is how you can use this tool to make money. Package it as enterprise crawling solutions with added compliance features and charge $500 a month for unlimited crawls. Or build vertical-specific scrapers, e.g., Legal Crawl4AI, that extract structured data from industry websites, then sell the processed datasets to companies for $10K a pop. Coming in at number 3, we have a project called System Design Primer. System Design Primer is the no-BS manual to stop writing Mickey Mouse code and build actual real-world systems that scale. It's what senior engineers learn after wasting 5 years building garbage that falls apart once you get more than 12 users. It's interview prep that's actually useful in real life. People who would pay for this are 1. Desperate junior devs about to bomb Google Amazon interviews who'd sell a kidney to pass, and 2. CTOs of rapidly growing startups who just realized their janky code base won't handle Black Friday traffic. This is how you can use this tool to make money. 1. Package it as a $997 Elite Engineering Acceleration Bootcamp with live sessions and a certificate. Or 2. Create a SaaS app that generates system design diagrams based on the principles. Charge $29 a month. Silicon Valley suckers love pretty boxes and arrows. Coming in at number 2, we have a project called Public Apis, a collective list of free APIs. It's like the yellow pages for tech nerds who don't want to reinvent the wheel. Instead of building your own pizza tracker, weather widget, or cat facts generator from scratch, just grab one of these APIs and pretend you're smarter than you are. People who would pay for this are startups and indie developers who need functionality without hiring a team, and coding bootcamp instructors who need ready-made APIs for student projects. This is basically a cheat code for MVP building. This is how you can use this tool to make money. 1. Create an API marketplace where you curate, test, and certify these free APIs with better documentation, then charge subscription access. 2. Build API combos that package multiple APIs into industry-specific solutions that solve actual business problems. Coming in at number 1, we have a project called Free Programming Books. This is the holy grail for broke coders everywhere, a massive collection of free programming books in multiple languages. It's like a digital library of Alexandria, but for nerds who'd rather learn Python than pay their Netflix subscription. Problem solved. Education shouldn't require selling a kidney. People who would pay for this are universities and coding bootcamps looking to save on textbook costs. Also, corporate learning departments at tech companies like Google or Microsoft who want to look generous while actually saving money on training materials. This is how you can use this tool to make money. 1. Curate specialized subsets by topic industry. Wrap them in a slick UI, and charge for the premium discovery experience. 2. Build a learning platform that integrates these books with progress tracking and certification. Free books. Paid structure. And that's a wrap on this week's AI treasure hunt. Which tool got you hyped, and which one felt like a total flop? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found something that could boost your income or save you time, hit that like button. Share it with a fellow hustler, and don't forget to subscribe for more juicy AI finds every week.